I am Mangal sir, Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar. In the last segment, we have calculated the value of some trigonometric ratio for 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Today I want to tell you what are the relation between them, how they are related to each other. First, because you may see, then the value of sine 30 is equal to value of cos 60. Similarly, value of sine 60 is similar to the value of cos 30. So how they are related to each other? If you will understand this, it will be easy for you to remember the values, these values. First of all, you know, in the right triangle, the acute angles are complementary. Means the angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree. In this condition, if A is 60 degree, B will be 30 degree. If A will be 30 degree, B will be 60 degree. And if A will be 0, B will be 90. And if A will be 90, B will be 0. These things you have to remember. And we have already proved that sin A is equal to cos B. Sin A is equal to cos B. Sin of this angle is equal to cos of this angle. In this connection, we see sin 30 and cos 60 have the same value 1 by 2. Sin 30 and cos 60. Sin 60 and cos 30 root 3 upon 2. Sin 0 cos 90 that is 0. Sin 90 cos 0 that is 1. These are the relation and we have to remember this equation. Sin A is equal to cos B. Then it will be easy for you. If you learn only the value of sin and cos, then you can find the value of tan and cot, cosec and sec. Because cosec and sin are reciprocal, sec and cos reciprocal. If you will find the value of tan and cot for the 0 and 90, you will find this type of 0 upon 1. Actually, it is equal to 0. But if you find 1 upon 0, it will be not defined. Means it has no value. It is not defined. So on this basis of the values of this trigonometric ratio, I shall try to solve some examples, some questions. It has been given here. But first I erase this. Let the first question. Sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. We have to find the value. Now let sin 60 root 3 upon 2. Cos 30 root 3 upon 2 plus cos 60 1 by 2 into sin 30 1 by 2, that is 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Value. The value of this sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30 is 1. We have already proved in the last segment that sin A plus cos B plus cos A into sin B is equal to 1. It is based on the same things. Let us find the value of this. Sin square 45 plus cos square 45 upon tan square 60 degree. What will be value of sin square 45? Sin 45 1 upon root 2. Therefore will be 1 by root 2 square plus cos 45 1 upon root 2. Tan 60 here. This 2 will be cancelled. It will be only root 3. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 . This will be value of the sin square 45 plus cos square 45 upon tan square 60. Now we have to find this. Two, 1. 2 cos 3 theta is equal to 1. Then cos 3 theta can be written as 1 by 2. Cos 3 theta. What will be value of 1 by 2? In the cos 1 by 2, it will be 60 degree. Then at the place of 1 by 2, you can write cos 60. Therefore 3 theta is equal to 60. You cannot cancel it, but only you have to remove. Therefore theta is equal to 60 upon 3. Here the value of theta is 20 degree in the question number 1. Question number 2. Root 3 tan 2 theta is equal to minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the question. First of all, this 3 is taken transposition to the right side, it will be 0. And what will be the value of tan root 3? That is the 60 degree. Sin upon cos. Theta is equal to 30 degree. In this equation, the value of theta is 30 degree. Question number 3. 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to 1. Then cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore cos theta is equal to under root 1 by 2. And what will the value of the root 2? 1 upon root 2, that is the cos 45. Therefore theta is equal to 45. In this equation the value of theta is 45. In this way you can solve the other problems, and it will very easy. If you try to understand, it will be easy for you to remember, and if you do more and more question, and I hope that it will be remembered after some time. Then keep watching, do your practice, and till then, thank you.